Hi everyone, my name is Chen Chen. I am 6 years old. Today I want to share about current issues. Save the ocean. The ocean is big and beautiful. It's home to turtles, fish, dolphins, and whales. The ocean gives us food and helps us breathe fresh air. Do you know every year 1 million sea animals die? Why? Because of humans. We kill them. The ocean is in danger. There's too much plastic in the water. Fish and turtles eat the plastic and get sick. A turtle can't see the differences between plastics and jellyfish. They will eat the plastics. People throw rubbish on the beach and it washes into the sea. Common rubbish in the oceans are cups, cans, diapers, and plastic bottles. What can we do to help? Use less plastic, use recycled straw, throw rubbish in the recycling bin, not the sea. Keep the beach clean and always love the sea animals that live in the ocean. We must save the ocean. If we save our ocean, save our future. Let's take action and protect our blue planet together. Thank you for listening.